Oh wow, what's happening here? No way, he's jumping up, he's flying? Crazy. Look at this mother who is feeding the little birds. So sweet. And in the background, you even see the little nest. Oh wow. What is this? It's an owl with his newborn. Look at him. Oh, he catch one. Yes. They are so precise, amazing. Just crazy what architecture they can do. Hi everybody. This is the new video of Clean Your Trashy Mind. If your mind is running or life is simply rushing by too fast again, then join us and find some relief in this mesmerizing collection of videos that captivate our beautiful feathered friends. Fly with us into the world of the birds and relax. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, share it, and leave a comment below. Ooh, it's crazy, man. Nice colors. Okay, that's so sweet. Oh, that he looks nice. Crazy colors. Just amazing. Just amazing. Hummingbirds are amazing. And another amazing bird. The owl. Just crazy. Oh. Oh, he's serious. Doing some serious yoga with his feet. He is not so serious. He's just having fun, whipping, just whipping. Oh boy, look at him. He's seeing something in the water. And now, yes. He got swayed. Yes, he got one. Yes. Yes, you can do it. Just amazing how precise they are without hands. Really beautiful. He will do it. He will do it. Yes. And another hummingbird. The colors are amazing. I like those birds a lot. Oh, another one. Yes, really playful. Oh, look at this. Clouds some nest. Oh, nice. Oh, some parrots. Parrots in the rain, relaxing. Oh, he looks a little bit. Yeah, he meets a shore. Yeah, he meets a shore. They have fun. Okay, what is he doing? Yes. Some yoga? Just playing around. Oh, it's so sweet. Look at the little one. Nice. Oh, he's really fast. Just amazing to see these birds in the untouched nature and how they behave. If you like our content, please like, share the video, or leave a comment below. Oh, he wants something. Maybe he wants underneath. No way. No way. There are 4. I only saw 1 at the beginning. Oh, they are cute. There's a couple. Oh, really nice. Oh, look at him. Some serious guy. Yes. Just beautiful colors. Some really nice colors again. I reckless birds. He enjoys the rain. Thank you so much for watching and take care. Have a nice day. See you.